Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I hope you're fine. I'm also fine. So in this video, I'm going to show different unique and stylish stones, garden home decoration ideas. You guys know we can share different beautiful and unique, beautiful garden decoration, garden stones. Decoration, table home decoration ideas, and it is very beautiful and unique garden decoration, and I hope you like it. When you like it, viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon, viewers, and please share your friends and family members, and don't forget to my YouTube channel. So Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.